Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to join the OneWin affiliate program, and this is very easy. But before we continue, I have something special for you. I invite you to create a professional OneWin account, and to do so you will simply click on sign up. Here you're going to enter all your information. Next you're going to click on add promo code, and here you're simply going to enter the promo code MONAS. By using this promo code you will get 100% bonus. So if you top up your account with $50 you will get $150. Now you are simply going to scroll all the way down to the bottom of your page, and here you are going to find out this option of affiliate program. You are going to click on it, and then you open a new web page where here you are simply going to click on become an affiliate. Now you find out the option of making money right now using the OneWin affiliate program, and here you are going to enter your name, your address, email, your phone number, username, your password, your traffic source, which is simply your social media platform in which you get more visibility. Because to join the affiliate program you have to get considerable amount of visibility on your social media in order to share them and get a promo code and get into the affiliate program of OneWin. Once this is done, you are simply going to click on sign up and accept the terms and conditions in order to take part in the affiliate program of OneWin. And it's as simple as that.